Sawadee ka! Welcome back to the Queen Patty Vlogs.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Today I'm going to show you on how to transform yourself from this to this. So for those people who actually know me personally, they know that I always do my makeup by myself. Whenever I go to parties, I have interviews, I have tapings for the interviews for the BL actors, or if I perform on stage. Because before I actually went here to Bangkok, back in the Philippines, I work as a stand-up comedian and I sing on stage as well. And actually, before going to Bangkok, I went to Dubai and performed as a singer comedian in one of the hotels there. So today I'm going to show you on how to transform yourself by actually using just whatever makeup you have, because for me personally, I don't have like super expensive makeup. Maybe there are brands there that would like me to try their makeup and do some sampling on on my vlog. But then right now I'm going to just use whatever I have. I buy my makeup actually in drugstores or markets. So I have this Fanny Serrano Fanny Serrano makeup. When I went to the Philippines last April, I had a chance to actually buy some of the makeup that I'm used to using. So these are some of the things that I actually use. First thing I do is that I wear contact lenses. I believe personally that it adds effects on your makeup. It adds more drama on your eyes, especially. So I'm going to wear one today just to show you how to transform the entire look. All right. So there you go. I have my lenses on, as you can see. All right. Now we're going to continue. I'm going to put on my foundation. Well, normally, if you are a makeup artist or you are so like vain on your skin, normally they do apply what they call a primer first, but I don't do that because primarily my skin is actually oily. I have an oily skin, so I believe that if I use primer, sometimes it adds oil to my skin and makes the foundation actually gooey or something like that. So I don't use it that much. Actually, don't. I tried using it before, but now I don't. So what I'm using is this one. It's BYS. I normally use James Cooper, but I don't. Bangkok doesn't have that. When I tried to actually look for it last April, I didn't find anything because I think the store where I used to get it actually closed. I'm not sure why. So yeah, this is how I do my foundation. Hold on, I cannot just look on the. There's a teaser. Alright, so the secret is just to apply it evenly on your skin. The real color is. Again, I'm going to put on a setting powder after this. Okay. Just all of the faces covered. Especially the neck and under the ears. Just like that. And also I put foundation on my lips because it will bring out the color of your lipstick shade after. Alright, so there you have it. Alright, so after putting on your foundation, you're going to finish it off with, of course, a setting powder. I used this one in Bangkok. I bought this in Bangkok. I don't know if you see it. There you go. There. Okay. This shade is shade number 3 and it's the darkest one for this brand. Because if you don't use like the same shade as your skin tone, it will end up So now, after putting on the face powder, I'm going to put on, or I'm going to sculpt my face, like sculpt it. I'm going to use my sculpting tool now. I'm going to do what we call contouring. It's very important, especially for me. I have a big round face, so I'm going to have that contoured, so it will lessen the roundness of my face. Okay, so I'm going to just get this brush from MAC, and then I'm going to use the darkest one that I use for contouring and start sculpting my face. You normally do that under your jaw, your cheekbone, like this. Okay. And also I do it with my jawline here. So that you will look slimmer on camera. There you go. See? If you can see the difference between it now. I also put something in here because to lessen my double chin. You see now the difference between these two? This is so round. See, this is so round. This one is like sculpted. This is the power of contour. Okay. Contouring is a must. There's no skipping it when you're doing your makeup. At least for me. At least for me, because I don't want my face to be super big and super round. So I also put it. Now we will continue doing the sculpting thing on the face. Now what I want to do is to create an illusion that my nose is really, really pointed. So, well, we actually need that, especially in this kind of setup. For example, if the light of, if you're doing like an interview, or if you are doing something on a camera that requires light, sometimes your nose is being blurred out. It seems like you don't have nose already, you don't have this bridge. So you need to actually enhance that. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to put on my nose line. So here's how we do it. Okay, I'm using the same, my contour powder. I'm using it as my nose liner as well. So I just took a brush. I'm using a brush. This is not an expensive brush. I'm using just the brush that I got on the market. I normally connect my nose line on this side of my eye. Yeah, there you go. See? Now you have your nose pointed. There you go. Okay, now we will be moving on in applying or doing our eyebrows. I usually do like an arched brows. Yeah, so I'm going to use a pencil liner. Of course, make sure that it is sharpened. That's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, this one. I start at the tip just to make sure that I have a perfect arch on that. And then I try to extend, because if you notice, my eyebrows are like short. So I need to extend them somehow, like that. Okay. at the bottom and at the top, like that. Okay, before you fill it in. Normally, you should have like lighter shade here and then darker as it goes out. That's what they normally do. So I follow them. There. See? There you go. Okay. So once I'm done with my brows, I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I love it smoky eyes. Because I have a small crease, I need to like do it like a bit bigger. So I'm going to outline that. Just like this. Okay. The technique is to just start from the tip of your eye and then just go inward. So that's the base. What we need to do is to really emphasize that. So normally, if I'm going to do an interview and have this much of light around me, I use the black one. What I do is that, again, I'm going to start off at the tip of the eye and just do this. See? But I'm just going to follow what we did with the brown base one. Okay, but I will not go until here. I'm going to cut it somewhere here, like maybe half of it. So once that's done, I'm going to use the liquid eyeliner upper lash line. There you go. Okay, of course on the other side. Okay. Now, again, if I'm doing an interview, I normally use fake lashes. Okay, but now I won't use that. I'm going to curl my natural lashes first. Okay. I normally do this like I count like 1 to 5 from the bottom going to the tip. I wiggle it so it will be more. It will appear fuller. And that's why sometimes I don't use false lashes any longer. There you have it. So I will not put fake lashes any longer. We're down to doing our lipstick. My lipstick, I use this one. I got this from Savannah Colors, it's called. I got this from Talat sa Panmay. It's very affordable. It's just 69 baht. So I normally do my lipstick like this. From the Cupid's bow here, I outline it. There. And then of course we'll do the same thing at the lower lip. There. See? I'm going to be back. I'm going to show you the final look. Just going to fix my hair. And I'm going to show you the final look. So here you go, guys. This is our final look. See? As you can see, I have a smaller face right now. Well, because of the contour and because of the hair. And this is how I do my makeup. Whenever I have events, parties, or interviews that requires lights. Even if I do like theater. Because actually, when I was in college, I took mass communications and we have theater. We have acting and theater and TV production. So somehow I know how to put on my makeup. But then, don't get me wrong, I'm not a makeup artist. This is how I usually do my look. So if you have same round face like mine, maybe you could do something like this, right? Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so at the bottom below, and also hit that notification bell so you will not miss any of my uploads. Please comment if you like it, or if you don't like it, maybe we can improve on something here. And I'm always open for suggestions on what you want to see next on this channel. All right, I'll see you again on the next video, guys. Bye.